Greetings magical developers, Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to the 40th episode of our interesting JavaScript series. So today we are step into the realm of promises, a powerful concept that transforms our code into a symphony of asynchronous sorcery. So grab your coding vents, let the promise unfold and let's embark on a journey into magical world of JavaScript promises. So promises is very important topic, you have to just focus on this. So unraveling the mysteries of asynchrony. So as we traverse the enchanted landscape of JavaScript, we often encounter spells that involve waiting weather. So it's fetching data from a server or animating elements on our web page. Promising emerge as our allies in conquering the masteries of asynchrony. So they provide a magical structure that allow our code to gracefully handle tasks that take time to complete. So next we have this example, explain the need for promises and their role in the handling asynchronous tasks. So here we have examples showcasing simple promises. So let's familiar with the promises. Here we have this variable magical promise. In this we are performing a promise. So in the promise we give a two arguments, spell and reject. So these two parameters like set time, we are calling a set timeout. This will resolve in 2 seconds. So if successful is true, so resolve is abracadabra, the task is complete will be the print in the output. So let's run this. So you can see after 2 seconds will abracadabra the task is complete will is printing. So if I change this true to the false, then you can see, sorry, second will reject will, oh no, the spell went away. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next, just comment this. So the promise is structured. Now we will see how the promise is structured. A promise is like a magical, wow, a commitment that a certain task will be completed, either successfully or with a touch of unexpected turbulence. So let's decipher the structure of a promise and understand the roles of dissolve and reject in our magical endeavor. So explain the basic structure of a promise with a resolve and reject callback. So here we have two callback, resolve and reject. So here we have a variable magical promise. First we have to give a variable and give this keyword new and promise. So in the promise bracket we will give a resolve and reject, then arrow function, and in the arrow function we can write a synchronous task goes here, and if successfully then resolve will result, if unsuccessful then call reject. So using the promises how we can call then result and catch error. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. So the magical dot then function and catch function. So then and catch function is also very important. Let's see how they work. As we deeper into the enchanting world of promises, two companions then and catch accompany us on our journey. So these methods allow us to gracefully handle the outcome of our magical promises. So these are very important. Whether the spell is successful or encounter a hiccup, we have the means that to respond with finances. So here you can also see that in our first example here we have then and catch. So if any error message will print, so they will get and resolve them. So here we have this, just comment this and see how they are resolving. So if there is any, like if I, so after 2 seconds will, oh no, the spell went away. So they are also working in this. So let's understand them also. Here we have, so then, so console.result, the magical result is printing. So after catch error, any turbulence or unexpected surprises will catch will trying to handle this. So let's move to next, using promises wisely. So as we venture further into the art of promises, it's crucial to use them wisely. Choose promises when dealing with tasks that require time, like fetching data from an API or handling user interaction. So let's unravel the wisdom of promises and weave them into our code with mastery. So here we have a conclusion that concludes our introduction to the magical world of JavaScript promises. If you found this initiation intriguing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment below. Our journey through the mystical realm of JavaScript continues in our upcoming episodes. So where we will delve deeper into the art of promises and explore their advanced enchantment. Until then, may your promises be fulfilled and your asynchronous tasks be seamless. So happy coding.